Ensonga za munnabyabufuzi Dr. Kizza Besigye okuyimbulwa awamu n'abalala abalina emisango mu kkooti y'abannamagye zikyalanda. Olunaku olwaleero zizzeemu okuleetebwa mu kikolo ggwanga olukulu ng'omubaka Atkins Katusabe yagireese ng'ono ategeeza nga Paalamenti bw'esaanidde okubaako ky'ekola ku nsonga za Dr. Kizza Besigye awamu n'ebyasaliddwawo kkooti ensukkulumu ey'awamu ku bantu ba bulijjo abalina emisango mu kkooti y'amagye.
I feel restless for as long as Dr. Besigye continues to be under illegal incarceration. And I'm asking myself, what is my place in this house? And how do I want to be remembered? Because history will confront me. What did you Atkins do?
Omumyuka w'omukubiriza w'ekikolo ggwanga olukulu Thomas Sayibwa ategeeza nga Paalamenti bw'etalina ky'esobola kukola ku nsonga za Dr. Kizza Besigye okuggyako okwogerako obwogezi.
We stop as Parliament. Parliament cannot implement court orders. Parliament, when your people ask you what you've done, you tell them you've spoken. And you raised the issues, because that's all I can do. I don't think I can close Parliament. I say we now go in protest. We were not party to this case. We were just interested as Ugandans. We tasked the Attorney General yesterday to come here and explain. Colleagues, there are things, I mean, that's where our powers here can stop.
Okwanukula kwono tekumatiza baka era n'omubaka w'emukono Betty Namboze Bakireke ayimukiddemu ng'ono alaga nga okwanukula kwa sipiika bwe kussa Paalamenti matigga ate nga baakuba ebirayiro eby'okukuuma ssemateeka wanyaffe Uganda.
When you said at ours that we should go back and tell our people that we talked about it and that is all we can do, Mr. Speaker, I want you to guide me if there isn't any other way. Parliament can demonstrate, can act. For example, Mr. Speaker, these are institutions whose budget is approved by this House. These are institutions to which we are supposed to call out oversight laws over them, where we can, Mr. Speaker, summon people here.
Wabula ono Speaker azzeemu n'amutangaaza ku buvunaanyizibwa bwe balina ng'ababaka.
Parliament here, apart from us really eating more time and going on record that we spoke, I can tell you there is nothing we are going to do beyond speaking. I'm being honest. In my tribe, we are very honest people. In Parliament, we only talk. In Parliament, we can't do anything beyond talking. We only talk. And I want to be honest to you. So if you think I will send some of you to go and capture people, I won't. Here we only talk. And you should know your power is for talking and coming up with resolutions.
Ebigambo byono tebinyikidde mu mitima gy'ababaka naddala abali ku ludda oluwoola gavumenti era n'omubaka Ibrahim Ssemujjunganda avuddemu omwansi ku nnyinnyonnyola ya sipiika ng'ono alabudde n'abamu ku bakungu ba gavumenti abalaba nga bino ebitabakwatako nti nabo buyinza okukya ne bagenda mu nkomyo ng'abalala abaaliko abanene mu gavumenti ya NRM we baagendayo.
But where you are seated, Besigye used to sit as the State Minister for Internal Affairs. He actually was the chief, he was political commissar of the party where they have accommodated you. He started it by risking his own life. So when I am inviting you, I am not undermining you, I am only reminding you that one day they may treat you the way they are treating Besigye.
Omubaka Jonathan Odol awamu n'akulira oludda oluwoola gavumenti mu Paalamenti Joel Ssenyonyi bawadde ki ekyandikoleddwa mu kadde kano okukkakanya embeera z'ababaka.
We are blessed with the presence of the Attorney General here. And it is now day 3 of that. We expect the Attorney General to update us that so far we have transferred this number of files, or by tomorrow we would have transferred this number of files, so that at least we are comforted that some steps, because on that particular, I'm not talking about release. I'm not talking about release. I'm talking about the transfer, which is outside of files, which is not in the realms of the two parties.
Honorable Speaker, you're saying they keep raising it so that they are seen to talk. Well, we come here to talk on behalf of people out there. And like I said, even if it is one person, we should fight for the right of that one individual. Honorable Speaker, government needs to help us. Because yesterday we were with the Attorney General. He did not help us.
Omumyuka wa Ssaabawolereza wa gavumenti Jackson Kafuuzi ategeeza nga bwe wataliiwo kyamaanyi kyakoleddwa naye nga bakola ekisoboka okulaba nga ebyasalibwawo kkooti ensukulumu biteekebwa mu nkola.
But if the court martial is to hand over the files, because remember the Supreme Court says the trials should cease and be transferred. So once they do that, they would copy us in as Attorney General's chambers. We have not yet received that copy. And I'm not going to stand here before Parliament and commit and say we'll table a copy of the transfer list because I do not know how fast it is being worked upon.
Wabula ebigambo byono bibadde byawukana ku bya mukama we Kiryowa Kiwanuka bye yategeeza Paalamenti olunaku olwajjo era nampala w'oludda olwawala gavumenti mu Paalamenti John Baptist Nambeshe yabikubyemu ebituli.
He has just made a huge contradiction of his superior. Yesterday, his superior informed this House that as far as the court ruling and orders stand, there is no court martial in existence. For him, he is informing us that he is still engaging with the court martial.
Omumyuka w'omukubiza w'olukiiko lw'eggwanga olukulu Thomas Tayebwa afundikidde abagumya ng'olunaku olw'enkya minisita w'obwenkanya ne ssemateeka bwe bagenda okuba naye era bamulindirire.
Tomorrow we expect to have a minister for justice here, and he's the one who oversees the justice, law and justice sector. I will require him to update us, to give us an update in terms of implementation. The one who oversees the whole sector of land justice. It is, let's handle it that way.
Kkooti ensukulumu ku lwokutaano lwa ssabbiiti eyise yalagira emisango gyonna egiri mu kkooti y'amagye gitwalibwe mu kkooti endala era n'omuntu wa bulijjo tateekeddwa kuba na musango gwonna mu kkooti eno. Abalamuzi baali bakulembeddwamu Ssaabalamuzi wa nnyaffe Uganda Owunnyi Ddolo. Kigongo ku lwa Channel 44 olweggulo.